Getting ready now, folks, for the running of the fourth and final event of today's finals, the Get the Idea General Final. Santa Anita the venue, turf soft the surface, 8 furlongs the distance, and 445,000 points. They're set. Gates open, they're away. Getting out fast, never on time on the fence, but quickly backing off the speed. Going to the early lead now is Senator Santana, closely followed by Chisel and All Rave. Ashbringer is 4 deep on the track going round the turn, and Fooled Around is even wider. Back on the fence, Never at Home and Cape Elder making their way up centre field, and at the tail Warrior Dawn. 21 for the first half. They're going hard for the 8 furlong. It's Senator Santana out in front. Tucked in behind on the fence, Never at Home moves into second. On the outside, Chisel 2 lengths further back to Cape Elder on the fence, and out wider Fooled Around. Another length and a half back to Ashbringer and All Rave, further back to Warrior Dawn at the tail. 3 furlongs to go, the half in 44.1. It's still Senator Santana out in front. Never at Home starting to put a little bit more speed up front, and Chisel looks like he's had enough. Back to Cape Elder on the fence in 4th spot, then Fooled Around, and on the fence again Ashbringer, and deeper on the track All Rave and Warrior Dawn at the tail. 1 furlong to go, the 3/4 108.1. They're coming from the tail. Ashbringer is flying straight past them. Ashbringer has gone Kawushka and running away with this one. Half a furlong to go. This race is over. Ashbringer for Yardi has bolted away to win by 5 lengths. All Rave ran home nicely too for Viking to run second. And Senator Santana did very well for Operata to hang on after setting a hectic early pace.